Hello guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to make a small little tiny house, and I'm going to make it really quick so that we're having a part 1 and part 2. So this is the part 1, and in the part 1 we're going to learn how to make the house and some other things. Then in the part 2 we're going to learn how to lighting and the rest. So stay tuned for the part 2 and make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video if you like it at the end, and make sure you watch it full. Watch and enjoy. So to start, click general, and it's the default thing. You're going to delete everything, press A, then X, go. Okay, in order for you to see what I'm going to be writing, what I'll be pressing, go N, then you go start, change to right, see over here, enter, click, you're gonna see it there. So that is okay. So start by using the N, then you go to create and change it to edit mode. No, you can't change it. Then you go to building, add a floor plane, then change to any shape you want, L shape, rectangle, circular, composer, anyone you want. So we'll go with the H shape, or let's just go with the rectangle. Yep. So we're gonna add the width to 5. Yeah. Make it more accurate. Let me just start 5, 5. Yep. So then you go to edit mode, add floor, then select the top part, add roof, change the roof, either flat, gable, is a gable, or hip, is a hip. So for this tutorial I'm going to use the hip, and I'm going to increase the height to maybe 2 or something. I think it's okay like this. Yeah, about 2.8. And yep. Then the outset, I'm going to change the outset. I have a little, go add more and reduce it. I think it's okay like this. Okay, so here I'm going to create a window. Let's make a door first. Oh, this is a roof, making a mistake. Okay, the door, put the door if you want a double door, or anyone you want. This no, not that. You're gonna change it. Go type you want panels or glass panels all over. You want not this. This really actually is good, but I want to use the glass panel. No, let me use the glass panels. Yeah. So I'm gonna play around with the frame and the rest. The frame, the size of the thing is okay. The frame depth, I'm gonna increase more. Yep, it's okay. I think we should leave this like this. Yep, that's it. That's for the door. Then so let's create a window. Make it glass panes too. So sorry for any background noise. Okay, so you make it size, I think I like default size. You can change yours if you're making yours up. Let me, okay, I think it's okay like this. This is just for an example, so I'm gonna make it random. Okay, so this thing's okay. Yeah, so come to this, create a window. Yeah, you can see settings are correct, similar, same. Yep, that's one good thing about this add-on. Yeah, so at the back, let me create a window. I think so, it's okay. Yep, a window. Like I said, this is just a random something, not really paid or something. This is just a tutorial for you guys to learn how to actually make it. And yeah, so you like to make stairs, you also click here or add stairs. Yep, I don't really like it like this, so you can change the offset, make it up. That, yep, that's it. You can change it. I don't really want this well looking. Yeah, so I'll change it. Sports rails, that's if you want or worse. I think this really looks nice, but I'm not going to use it for this tutorial. So you go for remove it. Yeah. Oh, this actually not good. It's over the top. So you want to reduce the steps. Yep, I think it's okay. Now change the offset. Take it down a little bit. I think it's okay. Yep, I'll change the size. No, don't play that. Sorry, why Isaacs? Have to change this. This is malfunctioning. Try. Oh, it's not really good. So you can change yours and you want it. I'm gonna change mine manually. So let's take it back to 0. Depth offset, all whatnot. So take this, and this and this, G, Y, take it back. Yeah, to that. I think it looks good right now. Yeah, so I think that's all for the modeling. Yep. And let's make tap out of mode. Okay, let me change the shading so that you actually see what I'm doing. Oh, cavity. Yep. So you create a floor, actually scale it to this. Yep. Then gonna make them the glass or the windows and doors to make it more realistic. So if you click render, then this is it. Really looking weird. That part of eevee cycles. Then create a light, point light, pick it up, then drag it to the y-axis to really see the front view. Then let's give it 500 watts. Little high. Reduce it. This is just test, really, not anything. Oh, this is not the front, so drag it to the y-axis and bring it to actual front. Yep. So this is it. These are work. It's weird looking, so weird. No nothing, no nothing. So go back, layout, go to edit mode, then select all the windows, the glass panes. Yep, I think that's all. So calculate an actual glass. So create default one. Yep. Then go assign this, which the window. You select to confirm. Go select. See, it's all selected. That's assigned them already. So don't touch anything. The principle, don't touch it. Go to roughness. With this, the roughness. Go to transmission. Increase it. Then you come down to set now viewport, I think. Yep. Then screen space refraction on it. Okay, to make my work on it. Yep. So yeah, actually see it's a glass now. Yeah, really looking nice. So this actually white. Yep. That's this. You can change it to any color you want, but leave it at white. Gonna make some little difference. Yeah. So the door now, can change to any color you want, but I'm gonna leave mine as white. Yep. Yeah, so this is it. Yeah, so the second part, that's a part 2. We're gonna make some lightning inside, outside, make some bulbs, make the roof look realistic, make some other stuff. So stay tuned. Subscribe to my channel, like the video if you like. So any problem, any questions, anything you think is wrong with me, and just comment at the comment section below. Just tell me anything. Just feel free to tell me anything you think about the video, anything you want me to talk about in my next video. Just tell me, and stay tuned for the next video. It's gonna come out next 3 days. Yep. So stay tuned. Please subscribe. Stay tuned. Peace.